So welcome back. This is a tutorial for question 2 of the final practice exam. So this is a tricky one, so stick with me. First, let's start by making a reference to our price. In this case, it is given to us. It is 15.6. So let's go ahead and type price, 15.6. So now the second step to this exercise is just to build a profit model. We've done this before many times. So we're going to go ahead and do equals parentheses price anchor it times the demand, which in this case would be this right here, and then close parentheses minus our unit cost times our demand one more time plus the fixed costs, and let me add the parentheses that I forgot. So this will be our model. Go ahead and press enter. And of course, we're going to get zeros because we haven't done anything. This will change. So now we have to build the tables, and to build them, it's fairly simple. Just go ahead and type lower bound, upper bound, then fixed cost. And for the next one, lower bound, upper bound, unit cost. And then lastly, lower bound, upper bound, demand. You can go ahead and fix them if you like to. This is not really relevant. I like to do it. Okay. So now to build a molar, just go ahead and click equals 0 and do this for every single lower bound. Now for the upper bound, it will be the first probability of each. Okay, now real quick, what I want you to do is to go ahead and select this, which is the fixed cost. Control copy and paste it down here, and do the same with unit cost and the demand numbers. We will need this later. Okay. Once you've done that, in order to construct the second part, all you need to do is click equals, and it would be the first one for the lower bound. And then the second upper bound, it's the first upper bound plus the second probability. Go ahead and repeat this for the second one. Here, second lower one is the first upper bound. And click equals first upper bound plus second probability. And here the same. And once you have that, you can select and drag down. And if you see a 1 here, it's because you have done it correctly. There we go, 1, 1, and 3 times the charm. There we go, 1 again. So far the exercise has been done correctly. So now what we have to do is use the VLOOKUP function. We're gonna go ahead and type VLOOKUP, this value, okay, comma, select this range, which includes the 3 columns, anchor it, then comma, column 3, which is for fixed cost, unit cost, and demand in the following cases, and go ahead and click true. True means that you will not try to find an exact match. This is because we're dealing with so many decimals that it will be impossible to find an exact match. So we want to find an approximate. So close the parentheses, and that's weird. Oh, I forgot a comma. There we go, close the parentheses, and don't worry about the numbers again once you finish the exercise, because remember, this is using the unit cost and the demand, which are now empty. They will change, so don't worry about it. Now go ahead and do the same for unit cost. And I'm going to be silent for this part because we already know what to do. Just repeat the same process that we did before. So random number, comma, select the range, anchor it, that's function F4, if you're on Windows, of course. And then go ahead and 3, and click tree. Thank you. Now you will see how all the numbers change once I finish this. You look up, and then go ahead and click this, select the range, anchor it, comma, 3, comma, true, close parentheses, autofill it. Okay, see, now they have gone back to normal. And now all that's left to do is just do the mean, the maximum, minimum, and standard deviations. These are just statistics that they ask us. So go ahead and average. And by the way, this is for the profit, so don't click anything else, just profit. Then the maximum. And as always, don't worry about these signs right here, the pounds. They don't really matter. It's just because Excel, the number is so big that they don't show. So don't worry about them. It doesn't mean that you have done them wrong. Look, see, there we go. And one more time, the standard deviation. We're working with samples. Go ahead and click enter. And if you want to, you can see, there you go. Those are the numbers. And if you go to the answer sheet, you will see that you have 100% on every single item. So I'm gonna see you on the next question.